Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a shortcut in Brave browser. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, in here, just go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now, once you're in here on the home screen, go ahead and click on Customize. Okay, right here at the bottom right. Just click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Top Sites. All right. Now, once you're in here, make sure that you enable it. Click on the slider. And as you can see here, automatically, I have my frequently visited sites right here on the home screen. Okay. Now, if you want to add manually, go ahead and click on Favorites. Once done, close this one. Now, if you want to delete a site right here, as you can see, these are my frequently visited sites. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Edit button and hit on Remove. Now, if you want to add in some more, click on the three dots right here at the top and add a site. Okay. The name right here is the website name, for example, Twitch. All right. And the URL, go ahead and open up the Twitch website. I'm going to go ahead over to my channel right here. Now I'm going to copy the link, right click and hit on copy. Now go back to the Brave home screen, right click and hit on paste. Once done, hit on save. All right. Now when I move, as you can see here we have Twitch. Okay. If you want to add in some more site, just go and click on Add Site right here and follow the same instruction. Now, when I click on Twitch right here, as you can see, you're now being landed to the same exact site as here from where we have copied the URL. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.